Hi, I'm Kate. I teach ballet at Find Your Center in Pasco, and I wanted to talk to you about something that's very important to the aesthetic of ballet, which is lines. You might see, those skinny, long ballet dancers, and you don't have to be skinny to dance ballet, but anyone with any type of body can make those nice long lines, and one way to do it is with your arms. So when we use our arms in ballet, we want to reach as far as possible all the way out to our fingertips, which you can't even see because I'm reaching beyond the screen, so I'll back up here. So in an elongated, this is a basic second position, and when we elongate it, we want to really reach all the way from these fingertips to these fingertips, making the longest line possible. The same thing, any elongated position in ballet, we want to reach those fingertips. We never want the hands to be bent. Other dance styles have the hands more bent. They have different kinds of aesthetics. But in ballet, you want the longest line possible, so you're always reaching from fingertip to fingertip and looking in the mirror, if you have one, at the nice long lines that you make.